இந்த சர்க்யூட்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. C1, C2, C3, C4 and C5. இந்த கனெக்ஷன்ஸ் இது மாதிரி இருக்குது, ரைட்டுங்களா? ஸோ இங்கே பாருங்கள், between the end of this A and B is connected with this 7 volt battery, right? And C2 and C3, where the C2 and C3 legs are meet, அந்த particular point வந்து C3 and C4 connect பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. Again 2 and 3 meet பண்ணுற points வந்து it will be connected with this 4 and 5. So you can get this. இப்போ பாருங்கள், 1 and 2 is interconnected. So 1 and 2 is interconnected. And where this 1 and 2 is interconnected, that leg is connected with this 3 and 4. You can see this. 1 and 2 is interconnected and 3 and 4 ஓட இதை connect பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. Next, where this 2 and 3 is interconnected, that is 2 and 3 is interconnected, that should be connected with this 4 and 5. 2 and 3 is interconnected, that should be connected with this 4 and 5. All these are points are meeting. So இந்த particular circuit நான் இப்படி redraw பண்ணலாம். ஸோ நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணுங்கன்னா, you divide the circuit into 3 portions divide பண்ணிக்கோங்க. C1 வந்து you can write it separately, and this middle portion alone can be redrawn with this இது மாதிரி parallel combination நம்ம ட்ரா பண்ணிக்கலாம். And C5 you write it separately, this and this and this. Okay, இப்போ once நம்ம வந்து இந்த சர்க்யூட்டை நம்ம redraw பண்ணோம்னா rest of the calculation part will be very easy for us. So first இந்த portionோட equivalent capacitance find பண்ணுங்கள். Since it's a parallel, each capacitance value 2 microfarad, 2 plus 2 plus 4, sorry, 2 plus 2 plus 2, it will be this 6 microfarad. That's okay. Then this value will be 6, that is 1 by 6. In the mono, all these three are connected as a series. Series of formula என்ன? 1 by Cs must be equal to this 1 by C1 plus 1 by the second portion of equivalent capacitance value and third portion capacitance value. So we'll get this 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, so 1 by 2, 1 by 6 and 1 by 2. If you add it, you will get this 7 by 6. Then Cs will be this capacitance value 6 by 7, you will get this microfarad. Then second, here we need to find the charge value. Charge value will be Q must equal CV. C will be this 6 by 7 into 7, you will get this 6 microcoulomb. So the entire circuit is like a charge value 6 microcoulomb. Then energy formula will be this 1 by 2 CV square. As we already found out, C value is 6 microcoulomb and the potential difference will be 7. You simplify it, you get the value of energy will be this 21 microjoule. Okay, thank you.